Craving thick, creamy treats at home? The best blender for milkshakes delivers perfectly smooth textures and rich flavors every time. With powerful motors and precision blades, it effortlessly blends ice, fruits, and ice cream for cafe-quality milkshakes. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Ninja Mega Milkshake Blender. The Ninja Mega Milkshake Blender is a powerhouse designed for anyone serious about creating creamy, cafe-quality milkshakes at home. At the core of this blender is a 1500-watt, 2-horsepower motor that effortlessly crushes ice, pulverizes frozen fruit, and handles tough ingredients with professional-level performance. Its XL 72-ounce pitcher, capable of holding up to 64 ounces of liquid, is perfect for making large batches for family gatherings or entertaining guests. The total crushing blades ensure that ice is turned to snow in seconds, leaving you with flawlessly smooth shakes every time. For on-the-go convenience, the blender includes two 16-ounce Nutri Ninja cups with to-go lids, ideal for personalized shakes or smoothies. Beyond blending, the Ninja Mega Milkshake Blender doubles as an 8-cup food processor, capable of chopping, pureeing, and even mixing up to 2 pounds of dough in just half a minute. Versatility is a highlight, with 4 primary functions: blend, mix, crush, and single serve that allow you to tackle a variety of recipes and meal prep tasks. The unique Ninja Blade system features 4 specialized blades: total crushing blades for large batches, Pro Extractor blades for single-serve blending, chopping blades for the processor bowl, and dough blades for kneading. Cleanup is straightforward, as all BPA-free parts are dishwasher safe. Overall, this blender combines raw power, large capacity, and multifunctional design, making it a top choice for anyone who enjoys milkshakes, smoothies, and more in their daily kitchen routine. Number 2. Ninja BN701 Milkshake Blender. The Ninja BN701 Milkshake Blender is designed to make blending smooth, creamy milkshakes effortless while accommodating a wide range of recipes. Powered by a 1400 peak watt motor, it offers more power than Ninja's original professional blender, allowing it to crush ice, frozen fruits, and other tough ingredients with ease. At the heart of this blender are the Ninja Total Crushing Blades, which ensure perfectly crushed ice and consistent textures in every shake or frozen drink. With a generous 72-ounce total crushing pitcher, the BN701 is ideal for creating large batches, making it perfect for families or entertaining friends. This blender features 3 preset Auto IQ programs, intelligently combining timed pulsing, blending, and pausing to take the guesswork out of making smoothies, ice cream, or frozen beverages. These Auto IQ programs ensure consistent results every time, whether you're whipping up classic chocolate milkshakes or experimental fruit blends. A 15-recipe inspiration guide provides ideas for creative drinks, from simple favorites to more adventurous combinations. The BPA-free pitcher and stacked blade assembly are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and convenient. The package includes the 1400 peak watt motor base, 72-ounce pitcher, blade assembly, lid, recipe guide, instruction booklet, and quick start guide, giving users everything needed to get started immediately. Number 3. Vitamix 5200 Milkshake Blender. The Vitamix 5200 Milkshake Blender is widely regarded as a professional-grade option for home kitchens, offering unparalleled control and performance for crafting smooth milkshakes and other blended creations. Its variable speed dial allows users to fine-tune blending textures, making it possible to achieve anything from ultra-smooth shakes to slightly chunkier fruit blends. The 64-ounce container is ideal for medium to large batches, accommodating multiple servings without compromise in consistency. Vitamix's aircraft-grade stainless steel blades are designed to handle the toughest ingredients, ensuring that frozen fruits, ice, and nuts are seamlessly incorporated into creamy, cafe-style milkshakes. A standout feature is the friction heat generated by the blades, which can transform cold ingredients into steaming hot soups in minutes, although for milkshakes, this ensures thorough blending without uneven chunks. Cleanup is remarkably simple, thanks to the blender's self-cleaning design. Just add warm water and a drop of dish soap, and it cleans itself in under a minute. Built for durability, the Vitamix 5200 comes with a 7-year full warranty, offering peace of mind and long-term reliability for daily use. Number 4. Ninja Detect Milkshake Blender. The Ninja Detect Milkshake Blender offers innovative technology and powerful performance to create milkshakes, smoothies, and frozen drinks with ease. Equipped with an 1800 peak watt motor base, it powers through ice, frozen fruits, and other tough ingredients, delivering smooth results consistently. The standout feature of this model is Ninja's Blend Sense technology, which automatically detects the thickness of ingredients and adjusts speed and time for perfectly smooth blends, removing the guesswork for every recipe. Its 72-ounce full-size pitcher is ideal for making large batches, accommodating family gatherings, or entertaining friends. The total crushing and chopping blade assembly efficiently crushes ice, blends frozen beverages, and chops vegetables with precision, while single-touch preset programs make processing ingredients simple and intuitive. For those who prefer manual control, the variable speed dial offers 10 settings, allowing complete customization of blending textures. Additionally, two 24-ounce single-serve cups with spout lids make it easy to enjoy shakes and smoothies on the go. Whether you are preparing rich chocolate milkshakes, fruit-based drinks, or frozen cocktails, the Ninja Detect ensures consistent, cafe-quality results. Its combination of smart technology, large capacity, and versatile blades make it an excellent choice for anyone who enjoys a variety of blended beverages. Cleanup is straightforward, thanks to dishwasher-safe components, adding convenience to its advanced features. Overall, the Ninja Detect Milkshake Blender pairs cutting-edge innovation with professional-level power, making it a top contender for milkshake enthusiasts seeking precision, speed, and ease in one sleek appliance.
Number 5. Oster Extreme Milkshake Blender. The Oster Extreme Milkshake Blender is designed to deliver professional-quality milkshakes, smoothies, and frozen drinks with minimal effort. Its 2-horsepower turbocharged motor and 1500 peak watt output provide exceptional power, effortlessly crushing ice, frozen fruit, nuts, and other tough ingredients. Equipped with 4 titanium-coated blades arranged in a unique 10-point blade stack, it ensures thorough blending and consistent textures for creamy, smooth milkshakes. The anti-jam reversing blade eliminates the need for tamping, stirring, or shaking during blending, making it convenient and efficient for everyday use. Oster's intelligent iBlend technology offers pre-programmed settings that take the guesswork out of creating smoothies, milkshakes, and salsas, ensuring professional results even for beginners. The 8-cup premium Tritan jar is shatterproof, BPA-free, and dishwasher-safe, combining durability with easy maintenance. Whether preparing single servings or larger batches for family and friends, the Oster Extreme delivers consistent results with minimal effort. Its powerful motor, smart blade system, and pre-programmed functions make it versatile enough for a variety of kitchen tasks beyond milkshakes, including purees, smoothies, and sauces.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.